For this raw vegan chocolate pudding, add one ripe banana that's been refrigerated. Break that up into 1-inch pieces and add that to your high-speed blender. The most delicious dates are medjool dates, and I've found that Trader Joe's has the freshest, most delicious dates. These are pitted. I should have chopped them up, but I didn't feel like getting out the knife and the cutting board, so I just tore the date into little pieces because it was so soft. And that's what you want. Really soft, squishy dates because those are sweeter and they blend easier. 2 cups partially defrosted dark sweet cherries. 3 tablespoons raw cacao powder, level. 2 tablespoons freshly ground flax seeds. Cover. Blend on low for about 30 seconds. Using a soft spatula or a large spoon, transfer the contents into a glass bowl. Or you can use a porcelain bowl. Either's fine. I ran out of vanilla extract, but if you have alcohol-free vanilla extract, add a teaspoon in the blender too. This is very chocolatey without being too sweet. You can eat this right away, or what I like to do is I'll put this in my refrigerator and let it sit for a couple of minutes so that it will set and be a thicker consistency. For an additional crunch, I like to add a little bit of coffee grounds on top. This rich chocolate pudding recipe serves 2 people. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.